तुम तो सीबीओ दिल्ली टीम विशाखापट्टनम टाइनल के लिए रवाना हो चुकी है दिल्ली से। सीबीओ
जिंदाबाद
सीबीओ
जिंदाबाद
सीबीओ
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद।
बोलो, कुछ बोलो भाई।
बटन दबाओ।
एयरलाइंस में बैठ चुके हैं हम एयर इंडिया के, और 20th ट्राइनियल सीबीओ के कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए हम लोग कूच करने को तैयार हैं। इसमें सीबीओ टीम दिल्ली, सीबीओ की टीम करनाल, सीबीओ टीम चंडीगढ़, सारे लोग बैठे हुए हैं। शिवशंकर जी हमारे CNTN CLO।
Welcome to all of you in AI 710 flight going from Delhi to Visakhapatnam for 20th conference of CBO.
थैंक यू सो मच।
पीछे क्यों रह जाते हैं?
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। फ्लाइट में 75 सीबीओ के डेलीगेट्स हैं।
अरे दिल्ली टीम इधर आ जाओ, फोटो खिंचवाएंगे अभी आप आपके साथ, फोटो खिंचवाएंगे ना।
आ जाइए।
We just reached विशाखापट्टनम एयरपोर्ट। विशाखापट्टनम पहुंचे हुए हैं। सीबीओ टीम रिसीव करने के लिए आए हैं हम लोगों को। सीबीओ विशाखापट्टनम टीम। हाँ, हेलो डियर, हाउ आर यू? स्नो होटल के पीछे ये वरुण बीच है। अभी आए हैं हम लोग। टाइम क्या हुआ? रात के 1 बज रहे हैं। वरुण बीच में रात के 1 बजे, और कल CC मीटिंग भी अटेंड करनी है मॉर्निंग 9 बजे से। CC मीटिंग से पहले नाश्ता करते हुए।
हेलो।
अरे
फिलहाल दिल्ली में धूम मचा दिए सुनते हैं।
ये विशाखापट्टनम का एक बीच है। लहरें ही लहरें विशाखापट्टनम में समुद्र के किनारे 20th ट्राइनियल अटेंड करने के लिए आए हुए हैं। इन लहरों से कह दो थोड़ा थम जाएं, हमें थोड़ी देर पहाड़ से आके सुकून से बैठने दें। रानी हो जम्मा विशाखापट्टनम सीबीओ के ट्राइनियल को जम्मा रानी हो सीबीओ के ट्राइनियल को जम्मा रानी हो सीबीओ के ट्राइनियल को बुध बोली शुमो बुध बचन तामो बुध बोली शुमो बुध बचन तामो जम्मा प्रदेश चिरागे लके जम्मा मी मंग दंगची कैनपाल मंग दंगची बुध ची जय शुमा जम्मा रानी ओ विशाखापट्टनम को जम्मा रानी ओ विशाखापट्टनम को रानी ओ जम्मा सीबीओ के 20th ट्राइनियल को रानी जम्मा हो रानी जम्मा हो रवि अन्ना के नेतृत्व को रानी जम्मा मी विशाखापट्टनम को रानी जम्मा मी विशाखापट्टनम को। ये मैंने अपने रंगरेजी में गाया गाना है जिसका अर्थ है सारे सीबीओ के ईस्ट वेस्ट नॉर्थ साउथ से लोग डेलीगेट्स आइए फटाफट विशाखापट्टनम में और हमारे ऑफिसर कम्युनिटी के लिए कुछ अच्छा करें, कुछ अच्छे चीज़ ले आएँ। इस ट्राइनियल को हिस्टोरी ट्राइनियल बनाएं हम लोग रवि जी के नेतृत्व में सीबीओ को और आगे हाइट्स में ले जाएं। रवि अन्ना जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद।
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದು ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಸರಿ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ खड़ा करना है बोल तो सकते ना
अलग से बोला
ये मोबाइल इसी के साथ आता है हाँ अलग से अरे आपने स्टार्ट तो वहाँ से कर दी सेल्फी प्रो सीरीज में ज़्यादा सही रहता है ये ना 3 हो जाता है मैक्स सैमसंग की भी बढ़िया है
Good morning. Respected Chairman Sri Jacob ji and my colleague Central Committee members. Once again, welcome to Visakhapatnam and good morning. It is my pleasure taking the responsibility of hosting the 28th triennial because it is a great gift to me by my beloved General Secretary before my superannuation. Hope all are received well by our teams. Hope all the stay arranged by us is fine. And if any shortcomings, it is our function. Please excuse us. Almost for the past 3 to 4 months, our teams are working tirelessly, and every minute point they have taken care. And continuously we are in touch with our beloved General Secretary for his support and guidance. To come up to this stage, we have faced so many challenges because from 13th onwards, here international summit is scheduled and our Honorable Prime Minister is attending. Many hotel rooms they have cancelled. Even 1 week back, there was a communication to us that venue also they want to.
Respected Chairman Jacob ji, my dearest brother, ever shining General Secretary of CPOA, Mr. K. Ravi Kumar, dear brothers and sisters, all the Central Committee members, our activists, good morning to you all once again. First of all, while I welcome you all to this mega event, and before that, the Central Committee meeting, as it always happens, on behalf of all of us, I take this opportunity to congratulate our deep Central Committee, led by Nama Prasad ji, for making it so big, so wonderful. Big round of applause for Nama Prasad ji and his team. For making such wonderful arrangements, stupendous effort taken by me.
President Ajit ji, beloved General Secretary Ravi, dear Central Committee members of Canada Bank Officers Association, dear CC members, this CC was formed 3 years ago in 2022. When the members from all over the country, the delegates from all over the country, chose you to be in the Central Committee, we had a good number of resolutions passed in the last triennial, and it was entrusted on this Central Committee to execute it for the members. Today when we stand here, nearing the ultimate day of this Central Committee, we are going to elect a new Central Committee in the triennial conference. When we are standing now, With great pride, I can say, out of the resolutions which were passed in the last triennial, 90% of the resolutions passed have been fulfilled. Dear friends, it is not a small thing. Today, the industry is looking high upon CPOA on many counts. We have got a vibrant general secretary who is thinking out of box. He is coming out with innovations. Traditional trade union leaders are looking on Canara Bank Officers Association today on many counts. ABOC had been taking guidance from us. That is vibrancy being expressed by association, and 90% success is not a small thing. And that apart, we have got 90 official resolutions at hand. We are confident under this able leadership, we will be able to achieve much more in the years to come.
Very good morning.
Very good morning.
Hearty welcome to the city of destiny and the unity, Visakhapatnam, under the leadership of our great leader, Shri Rama Prasad ji. Perhaps this is the last central committee for all of us. I do not know how many of us are going to be in the next central committee, but we've got a few more hours to enjoy being the central committee members of this great organization. Give a big round of applause to all of us for working so hard in the last 3 years for the welfare of each and every member who is in Canara Bank Officers Association. Thank you. There are many firsts for this particular central committee meeting. A few firsts are probably in the history of CBOA, there must have been no occasion where the entire leadership of the bank was requesting CBOA to invite them to be the part of the general body. This is happening for the first time. And today, we're going to witness MD and CEO, Executive Director HR, CGM HR, GM IR, GM HR, General Manager from Hyderabad, General Manager from Tirupati, General Manager from Hubli, almost 10 General Managers, former general managers, present executives, future executives, retirees. Oh my God, we're going to witness almost a Maha Kumbh Mela of 6,000 officials participating in the trial. And this is going to happen not just because CBOA is conducting its trial. It is happening because when CBOA conducts, it is something different. It talks of unity. It talks of brotherhood. It talks of togetherness. And only this particular bonding is making everybody to come and gel well with us. So my dear sisters and brothers, we should be very proud that we are hosting this particular general body here at Visakhapatnam under the leadership of Shri Rama Prasad ji. Give a warmest round of applause. 3 months of sleepless nights, 3 months of planning, 3 months of travel. I was traveling across the country. I witnessed majority of you conducting delegate sessions or the general body meetings. you know how tough it is to host the meeting. But here, Kashmir to Kanyakumari, 177 regions, 500 districts, 26 circles, representing various states, coming under one umbrella, it is the most challenging task. But I should tell you, Team Visakhapatnam has gracefully done it. Give big round of applause to Team Visakhapatnam.
ट्राइनियल के लिए विशाखापट्टनम आए हैं और खाने का अरेंजमेंट बहुत ज़बरदस्त। एक साथ 2000 लोग खा सकते हैं और 20 मिनट में 2000 लोग फ्री। बढ़िया। आप सभी को दिखाना भी तो है मुझे यार। जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। गुड 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 गुड। सभी लोग बिल्कुल, और खाना इतना फटाफट सर्व हो रहा है, किसी को टाइम ही नहीं लग रहा है, इतने जल्दी फटाफट खिला रहे हैं और बहुत बढ़िया डिलीशियस खाना है। मैं थोड़ा सा रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा हूँ सबका। खचाखच भरा हुआ है और 2 मिनट भी नहीं लग रहा है लोगों को। टीम मुंबई, टीम भोपाल, विशाखापट्टनम ट्राइनियल में। हाँ, हमारे हुगली के CLO साहब के साथ पहले चाय पे चर्चा होती थी, आज वैसे चर्चा कर रहे हैं हम।
खाने पे चर्चा कर रहे हैं।
CBOA का 20th ट्राइनियल कॉन्फ्रेंस विशाखापट्टनम में। ये है इसका मेन गेट। हमारे लोग ये हमारा सारा लोगो है, ये लोगो है। CBOA का 20 ट्राइनियल जमाजम दिल्ली से। अभिषेक वर्मा जी गाना गा रहे हैं हमारे दिल्ली से। सेशन का ये ग्राउंड है, कम से कम 6000 लोग बैठे हुए हैं इस हॉल के अंदर।
For the moment we have been waiting for. Another 5 minutes and they all will be here. Just have patience, please be seated.
मैं आपको बता देता हूँ सेशन का ग्राउंड है।
आइए निगम सर यहाँ
कैनरा बैंक जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
कैनरा बैंक जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
सीबीओए जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
सीबीओए जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
कैनरा बैंक जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
कैनरा बैंक जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
सीबीओए जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
कैनरा बैंक जिंदाबाद
CBOA जिंदाबाद CBOA जिंदाबाद CBOA जिंदाबाद CBOA जिंदाबाद CBOA जिंदाबाद
जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद
CBI long live!
Long live, long live!
CBI long live!
Long live, long live!
Long live!
Long live, long live! Zindabad, zindabad! 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 Zindabad!
Neha Afri.
I, Suryakant Samantarai,
I, Priya Golpade.
And I, Preeti Singh Tawar,
Welcome everyone to the 20th Triennial Conference of the Canada Bank Officers Association. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us open our hearts in welcome to the galaxy of leaders who grace the stage tonight, the guiding stars of CBOA and Canara Bank. Let us begin by acknowledging the distinguished personalities whose presence adds prestige to this grand evening.
please join me in extending a heartfelt welcome to a man of action, vision, and boundless dedication, whose tireless efforts have been the backbone of this magnificent conference. With a huge round of applause, please welcome Reception Committee Chairman, CBOA, Shri Rama Prasad sir. A huge round of applause.
Give round of applause for our Reception Committee Chairman.
We request the escorts to please guide him to the stage.
We now request Sri Sudhir Kumar Gupta and Hima Bindu to felicitate Sri Rama Prasad sir with a bouquet of flowers. A warm round of applause from everyone, please. The clap should not stop for this man of less words but more action.
Once again, a huge round of applause for Rama Prasad sir. Now it's time to call a dynamic leader from the beautiful state social welfare and community development stand as a shining example of service beyond self. We are honored to have Chairman CBOA, Sri Jacob PC. A huge round of applause. Jacob PC, sir. We request the escorts to guide him to the stage.
Felicitate Sri Jacob PC sir with a bouquet of flowers.
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
And we have a warm round of applause for the chairman, Sri Jacob PC sir.
Welcome to a visionary from the land of kings, culture and heritage, Rajasthan, whose leadership reflects compassion, courage and conviction. From organizing welfare camps to empowering countless officers, his work speaks louder than words. Yes, it's time to welcome the fatherly figure of CBOA, the mentor, the president, CBOA, Sri Rajiv Nigam sir, with a huge round of applause. We request Rajiv Nigam sir to grace the stage with his presence. A huge round of applause.
Napoleon Bonaparte, a leader is a dealer in hope. To a standstill, we are hereby welcoming the hope of the 50,000 cannibals, the hope of the innumerable youth, the hope of the industry, the face of the CBOA, the youngest trade union leader, the young, dynamic and charismatic leader, leader of leaders, the one and the only Ravi Kumar sir. And to express our love and gratitude, let's watch a short AVI.
Daddy, come Ahluwalia sir started his banking career as an agricultural field officer in 1992 at Allahabad Bank. He has vast experience in all the fields, be it rural, urban, metro, in India or overseas. His proven ability to build productive teams and deliver exceptional results was reflected in all his assignments, and Canara Bank is privileged to have him as the Executive Director since February 2023. Please put your hands together for our Honorable Sri Hardeep Singh Ahluwalia.